So today we're gonna take you on a tour because we just had one of our tenants move out of this duplex. We've had a lot of people ask and wonder what it's like owning rental properties when tenants move out and what that process is. Do we have to replace the toilet, replace everything? I haven't been in here, so I mean, this is gonna be it's gonna be interesting, and it's gonna be kind of like a first look. Alrighty, front door, let's do it. Wow. Look at that. Holy crap. That's a lot of holes. Oh my God. Holy crap. Okay, so the living area, well, we can see that. We're gonna have to fix that. That's a lot of holes in the wall. Yep, so we've got some more holes over here. The baseboard doesn't look bad at all. Nope, I don't see anything bad on the countertops. I'm not sure what this is, but it's trash. Let's look at the range. The range is not bad at all. I had a rental one time where the people left the range a mess. I mean, they destroyed the range. Pantry cabinet looks good. See, that's why I love these cabinets, because it still looks brand new in here. Let's check out the back porch. Overall, this looks good. I don't see any like tears in the membrane. It looks like it held up pretty good. I know I have to change like the light bulbs out of this. Just dirt on the siding, you know, and then I think this is just like dirt just from like rain. Something like burned this. Not sure why there'd be a burn there, but at least it's not on the membrane, you know, so. All right, let's move on. So we've got more scuffs in the wall, here. Let's check out the washer and dryer. Usually a lot of dirt with like lint will collect from the dryer if it's not connected properly, but we don't have much back there, but I'm still gonna, you know, try to clean what I can. But not bad at all. Bedroom 1, taking a look at the closets. Not bad. We just have some scuffs on the shelves. The doors look great. Yeah, the paint really held up. Here in this room, we've got a broken fan cover. Now that's gonna have to be replaced. If we can't find a replacement cover, we're gonna have to replace the entire fan and, you know, charge the tenant for that. I mean, other than that, everything in this room seems to be okay. Got these holes, big holes here. Wow. Bathroom tub looks good. No breaks on the tub, which is perfect. No breaks in the tile. Great. Grout looks clean. Toilet looks good, no breaks. Vanity looks great, no breaks. They left some stuff up there, so you have to trash all that. I just love how great the floor feels still, you know? It's just so nice. I mean, really, it's just, you know, just touch up paint and fill in holes. This tub is clean as well. I'll probably have to reseal that grout because it looks dirty. So overall, I mean, I think they left the property in pretty decent condition. Because everything else is just wear and tear, you know, it just happens just living in a house, you know, but obviously, like, this is not wear and tear. This is, is damage caused, you know.
I feel like the tenant that we had here took care of it, and besides like fixing the fan or replacing it and just doing some paint touch-ups and hole fills, it'll be a pretty easy turnover.
Yeah, I totally agree.
Obviously, not everyone has good tenant turnover. You see a lot of like horror stories on the internet. Like, and we've had, you know, non-ideal tenants in the past as well. Is there anything that you feel like we've shifted to be able to attract people who take care of our properties more than anything?
Yeah, I mean, just creating strict criterias in terms of, you know, income requirements and credit score requirements, you know, has really helped because, and also to the quality of the property, right? The quality of the property, the location of the property, it's helped attract the right people who are, you know, who in turn take good care of a property.
Yeah.
And that's huge, you know. We can go check out the garage. Same thing you can see with the front door. Maybe you can't see it on camera, but it's kind of dirty. But I think we can use like a cleaner to clean it off, and I'll probably just reseal this and just go over it with paint again, just to get it looking in tip-top shape. But this is good. The scuffs on the siding, which I mean, didn't have to happen, but I'll see if it can't be cleaned off. It should be able to, but if it can't be cleaned off, I mean, it's something I'd have to charge him for, because I would have to repaint, you know, little sections of the siding. So as you can see, this door does have a lot of marks. I'm gonna open the garage, just make sure it works. So also kind of same thing over here. We do have like scuffs on the wall, and it looks like we've got some like dents that we created, I don't know, with the car door or whatnot. I'm less anxious because, you know, I've seen it, it's not bad. And as you can see here, we've got this damage on the side. That's also something that, you know, was caused by the tenant. I didn't see any kind of excessive damage done to the property by the tenants. So I'm happy. I think it'd be a quick turnaround, and I think, you know, we can get this ready for the next tenants to move in pretty quickly.
Well, guys, I think that's it. We're gonna do our little repairs this weekend and do some tours with new tenants, and I think that wraps up this one. We just wanted to give you guys a little insight into our turnover process.
See you in the next one.